Let me show you how people, including me, are using AI to create YouTube scripts and turn it into $5,000 a month. And no,
AI does not replace YouTube creators, but it makes the hardest part easier: the ideas, the research, and the writing.
Here's the system I use. First, I research trending keywords: make money online, side hustles, AI automation, gig apps. This allows me to upload daily or almost daily, which pushes the channel into the algorithm. More uploads equals more watch time equals more money. Now here's where the real money starts. The scripts help my YouTube ad revenue, but the real $5,000 comes from 3 streams. And YouTube AdSense from consistent posting, affiliate links in every description, sponsored videos once your channel grows. In every script, AI helps me insert natural call to actions. I'm not begging or overselling. I'm recommending, and that's
The truth is, AI doesn't replace YouTube creators. It just makes the hardest part of YouTube 10 times faster. What used to take half a day, coming up with ideas, researching trends, deciding titles, writing hooks, now takes minutes. And when you speed up content creation, you speed up your income. Here's the system that helped me grow. I start by researching trending keywords, things like how to make money online, side hustles, gig apps, AI automation, and work from home jobs. These are topics people are actively searching for. Then I ask AI to turn those keywords into high CTR YouTube titles. I usually pick 2 or 3 titles I think will perform the best and have write full scripts for each one. This gives me enough content to upload almost every day, which tells YouTube I'm active, consistent, and valuable to the algorithm. When your posting goes up, your watch time goes up. When your watch time goes up, so does your revenue. But here's where the real income comes in. The scripts help boost ad revenue, but the $5,000 a month game comes from stacking income streams. First is YouTube AdSense. Second is affiliate links in the description. And third is sponsored videos. Once your content starts performing well, AI helps me naturally add call to actions into my videos and descriptions, which makes affiliate sales feel genuine instead of forced. This is the same approach I use with my affiliate partnerships. Amazon didn't work for me at first, but when Black Girl Vitamins gave me my own link and my audience trusted my recommendations, everything changed. Most of my sales come from Facebook and Instagram because people already know me there. And AI helps me rewrite product explanations so they're clear, short, and engaging. To reach $5,000 months, I batch create scripts. I let AI outline, rewrite, expand, or shorten whatever I need. Then I drop it into CapCut or Canva, add my voiceover, add stock clips, and post. If you don't want to be on camera, AI makes faceless videos easy. If you do want to be on camera, AI removes the stress of planning your content. Once you do this for 30 to 60 days straight, you will start seeing momentum. YouTube rewards consistency, and AI makes that consistency possible without burnout. You don't need to be a writer, you don't need fancy equipment, and you don't need a huge following. You just need a repeatable system, and this is it. So if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, revive an old one, or add a new income stream, this is your sign. Use AI to handle the heavy work, and use your personality to bring the content to life. That's how I'm building my channel. And that's how creators are scaling to $5,000 a month and beyond.
So if you've been wanting to start a YouTube channel or revive the one you abandoned, this is your sign. Let AI handle the heavy work. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Life by Sharon B and follow me everywhere at Sharon B. See you in the next video.